Wesley Virgin here, and I want to do a fast, quick video for you to teach you the ads that we're using right now. As you can see here, you're looking at about $364,000 here. So listen, we're doing something very strategic, okay? Not just for us, for other people as well. As you can see here, these are affiliates, and affiliates are people like you who want to make money online. And as you can see here, they're consistently doing that. When we're talking about, $86,000 a month, $16,000 a month. Some people are even doing this per week. So what I want to do, I want to do this training here right now in this video here and show you exactly what we're doing, the ads that we're using on YouTube that we know what works. And I want to take you step by step through this tutorial so you can start making money like this. So let me get right into it here. What you see right here is what I call the ads that rake in cash. These are the ads that I'm currently running right now that you see on YouTube. When you see Wesley $1 billion Virgin screaming at you in a video, these are the ads that are bringing in money like crazy. Collectively, they've brought in maybe over $3 million for me in the past couple of months here. And guess what? I'm going to give it to you. But there's steps through this process. And before I give you the link, let me show you what you need to do, how you need to promote it, and how it works, and why the average person don't make money and why people like me do, okay? First step is this. You need to go to digitalstore.com. And guys, thank you for smashing the like button. It makes me feel so good that you smash the like button, comment below, and share this video out because it's free. And I really want you to win. I believe you will win the people that are very serious about their financial independence. And I think that's you, big head. All right, look, so go to digitalstore24.com. This is a company that reached out to me years ago. They wanted me to put my products on their platform because I'm well known in this field, right? I've been #1 on ClickBank, which is another affiliate marketplace for a very long time. I've made over $30 million with clickbank.com, and I decided to move over to Digitalstore24. Why? Well, because they treat me well, and they make changes that I need made in the platform to be suitable for my affiliates and the products that I put on the platform here, okay? So far, I've been on here maybe less than a year, and I've earned about maybe $10 million, not sure, in a very short amount of time here. So go here. They're very trustworthy. And listen, if you have any problems with them, reach out to me. I'm going to give you guys a link later that you can access. And if you have any problem with them, just reach out to me. I have direct connection to the CEO, so you're good to go. So you want to click on the word register now, okay? And listen, it's all free. It's a free account here. Put your email address, username. I like to create usernames that are aligned with my goals. Like my goal right now is to make $100,000 per day, which is $3 million per month. We're not there yet. We're close, but we're not there. That's just my personal goal. So maybe your goal is 10K per month, 5K per a week. I don't know. So I like my username to be a reflection of my goals here, okay? Put your email here, type in your password. As you can see, they're all over the world here, okay? Put your time zone. And if you're a Mr., if you're a Mrs. here, put your first and last name here. And address as well, country. You can see they're all over the world here. You like that? All over the world. And I will leave a link below, guys. If you have any problems with this, I will put a link and some instructions for you as well. So very simple. Put your phone number here. Put a fake phone number. You don't want people calling you, right? Absolutely not. Then register for free. And then you'll go here to the login button. As you can see here, look, I have many accounts. Now, listen, imagine like these accounts, some of them do $1 million per year. Some do $1 million per month. I have many accounts, and I'll show you later on how this works. Because understand, once you do it one time, it's pretty easy to get done. I'll give you an example. One of my other accounts here. Let me see. This is a older account, and I think this is Overnight Millionaire. And let me see how much money we got in here. Are you guys getting this? Look, that's like almost $3 million, right? I think that is $3 million here. And I have many accounts just like this. But listen, I don't have this type of money because I'm smart. It's like I help other people, okay? The key is to help other people to get what they want. I have thousands, I have tens of thousands of affiliates every single day that make money with me because they trust me, right? And I help them make money in the process as well, okay? And that's what I want to do for you. Does that make sense? Is everybody with me here, okay? So once you log in here, you want to go to Marketplace, okay, and click on Marketplace here. And you want to scroll down. As you can see, these are different products that you can promote. But I recommend to promote the number 3 product, which is my product. And we'll be number 1 in a couple of weeks. This is how it is. I'm usually number 1 all the time. And I'm not trying to brag and boast. It's because of you. I'm going to be honest with you. It's because of new people that I train that are willing to listen, that are willing to be patient, and trust me through the process. And they start making money. So if you start making money, I make money. And then the product becomes a very valuable product here on the platform, okay? So now you may think, well, Wesley, the only reason why you want me to promote your product so you can make more money. That's not true. First of all, let me explain something. You see these guys? Like, look at this guy, YouTube Master. He's only giving 50%. I'm giving 80%. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking about upping that to 90%. Like everybody that get involved today, I'm going to consider giving you 90%. So I only get 10%. Right? I get nickels. But see, my philosophy is this, and this is the reason why I truly believe I've been very successful in business. It's because I give people who are brand new, who don't understand this internet game, and I give them as much percentage as humanly possible by following exactly what I'm going to give them, such as these ads right here that I'm going to give you and show you what to do with them. Well, I want to give you the commissions. That makes sense? Because I know a lot of you, it's tough for you. And I know some of you, it's going to take longer than others to start making a profit. Does that make sense? So I truly believe, this may seem silly. You may laugh at me, but I truly believe that service leads to greatness. And if you serve people and help people to make money, you'll make more money than ever before. And I love my affiliates. I love you as well. And I want you to make money. I believe you will make money, but you got to persistent. You got to listen. You got to see yourself. You got to imagine yourself promoting this product using every technique that I'm going to give you in this video so you can start succeeding, okay? Comment below, and I want you to comment, I believe in myself. Like, you have to imagine. You have to really imagine yourself making money online. If not, you never will. You just never will. You're going to read all the books. You can go to seminars. You go to classes. But if you don't have this belief deep inside of you that you can create money right now by using this and promoting it and disseminate it around the web, using the techniques that I'm giving you right now, then you'll just be who you are today. 9-to-5 job. And you'll be frustrated. You'll be pissed, upset about your life because, you know, people like Wesley Virgin is earning $500,000 to $1 million a month. And you can't even make $5,000 a month even with your job. Does that make sense? So I want you to understand something, that the mindset is very important. Now, listen, I have good news here. We have a brand new VSL because, listen, hold on. What am I doing? Okay, yeah. We have a brand new VSL right here. Okay. Here it is. And right now, we are promoting this on the web. And the reason why we changed it is because we want people to make more money. This right here is converting very well. And I'm going to give you the ads that we're using that you can use right now. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you how to do it for free as well. But this is just, it's converting very well. It's called a VSL, Video Sales Letter. I'm not going to get into that. You can always search my YouTube channel to get more information about that, okay? But listen, hold on. Give me a second. Okay, I got you. All right, so stay with me here. So now listen, this is what you want to do, okay? Now pay close attention here. Once you find money, manifestation system, actually it's called Genie Script. I'm going to erase this. It's Genie Script here. You want to get your promo link. Copy that somewhere, okay? Because these are the people that's going to pay you. And you need that link to make money. Does that make sense? I mean, you need that link to make money, period. This is what I did, 10 years ago when I was broke. And I watched a video like this. And I just followed the video. And listen, for you to succeed as well, you got to trust. Listen, if you don't trust me, if you think that I'm trying to scam you, then leave the video. Like, honestly, I don't give a damn. Like, I love you. But if you truly have the mindset that you think everybody on the internet is scamming, you'll never make money. Never. I'm not saying that people are not, but I'm transparent. This is my account. This is my product. And I have tens of thousands of people every day that are very happy. They no longer work a job. They're doing what they want to do on a daily basis. Why? because they listen, they diminish their ego, and they're willing that it was something that they didn't know. Okay, so you want to copy and paste that. That makes sense. Okay, and understand this is the product here. This is what you're going to utilize to make money online. Okay, now listen. System right here is nothing but a meditation system. I teach people on how to manifest their dreams, and I truly believe that your mindset is very important as it relates to you being a successful, financially wealthy person. To be rich, to be a multi-millionaire, your mindset has to be right. So if you choose to buy, you don't need to buy, but if you choose to buy this, I do recommend it. Listen, any product that I promote, I buy it first. Well, one, I got to make sure it's legit. Two, I got to make sure it works for me. And I can use things within the product itself once I buy it to not only benefit me, but to benefit others. That makes sense? But like I said, it's not mandatory that you buy this, but it is a very powerful program. Many people are using it right now, and I have so many great testimonials right now in it. As a matter of fact, before I give you guys the link, these are the ads that I'm going to give you. And if you look below this video, there is a link that says wesleyvirgin.com/cash. And if you click on that, it's going to give you access to all these ads that we're using right now. Okay. You see that? They give you access to all these ads. It's free. I spent the money and time to create this for you, and you can have it right now. I'll put that link below. Now, listen, it's easy. All you need to do is go to your Instagram account. Let's go to Instagram. Okay. Let's go to Instagram, Wesley $1 Million Virgin. Okay, is everybody with me? Smash the like button, please. And always comment your questions below. I look at them. This is my profile. You see I'm live here, 1.1 million followers here. I only follow 6 people, 2,000 posts almost, right? So all you do is put your affiliate link right here. Do exactly what I did. This is what I am doing, and I'm rich. Look, you copy this. My #1 fastest way to manifest your dreams now. You put that in your bio and Instagram. And right here, you want to put the link to your affiliate offer to Genie Script, right? So you remember that affiliate link that we copied right here? Remember that? You just put it right here. Okay? Now, you can do a couple of things. You can create a redirect. That means if you already have a website, you can redirect that website to your affiliate link, okay? All you need to do is search Google and find out how to do that. It's very easy with GoDaddy, depending on what domain provider that you're currently using. Or you can go to Bitly. Look, you can go to this site right here, bitly.com, and you can put your affiliate link right here. Shorten that link right there, right? And you go back to your profile and you just put it in right here. That's it. So listen, model me. Look, my profile, look, just put in this link right here. That brings me about $10,000 to $15,000 per month just by putting the link here. Okay. What's going to happen is this. Now, you take one of these videos here on YouTube and you just place them on your IG profiles. That's it. And you just share them out and you send messages to everybody that follows you. Okay. It's that simple here. And you tell them to go to your bio if they want to know more. You know, I know what you're thinking. You're like, that's too simple, and it works. And usually what I've learned, because I've been doing this for like 10 years, is that the simple things on the internet, they tend to work. Like the complex thing. Like, listen, put in the link, put in a call to action here, put in the video that Wesley Virgin gave you in the link below. Like, they're free. You can download these videos or you can post them on Facebook and Instagram. And basically, just say, if you want to learn more, click the link in my bio. You'll be surprised on how many people will just click it. They will do it 100%, right? Because it's just straightforward here. You don't have to use techniques and tricks, and that's how you do it. But that's how you do it to get started. And listen, if you want to get more traffic, if you're a brand new person, and you want help from me, go here right now, okay? Go to the site, because I know some of you say, well, Wesley, how do you get more traffic? Listen, I do recommend before you go here now, is to learn, okay, and do it for yourself first. Like, test it out first. Does that make sense? Test it out and make a few dollars per day. Then go here, and I can show you how to go from $2,000 a month to $20,000 a month, okay? But I know some people are brand new, and some people need more help. Here's the link. I have a few spots open on a daily basis. We take about 10 and 20 people. You click there, register, and I'll take you through a more intensive training on what I'm doing to help people earn $20,000 to $80,000 per month. Like, imagine logging into your account, right? Imagine logging into your account, right, like this in Digistore, and going to one of your many accounts here, and basically seeing that you've earned like $20,000 to $80,000. Look at this guy. Look at this affiliate right here, $80,000 like per month. And all he did was go here. I mean, everybody that you see here that's earning money right here, they all went to this training. All of them, they did. I'm gonna be honest with you. They all went to this training, and it's free. And they learned what they needed to do to make more money. Listen, if you're not a student of wealth, if you're not a student of success, if you're not willing to do what it takes, you'll be broke forever. You'll be average until you die. I'm gonna be honest with you. You know, it's very simple. I get emails every day from people just like you who are hungry to be successful. I get people every day, you know, they're just regular average people, and I get it. You know, regular average people are just people that have a 9-to-5 job, and they are confused because they can't figure out how this stuff works. But the people that always make it, I want you to be very, I have a lot of millionaire friends, and they wasn't always rich. And all my friends are self-made millionaires, by the way. The few thing that they did was that they made a commitment, and they're always willing to take risk, which means is, I'm not saying this is the best thing you can do right now. I'm not saying that, you know, going to that link and getting some of this sleep money, it's going to change your life. What I'm saying is this: if you don't do it, you'll always have that regret, right? You'll always have that thought in your mind and say, you know what, if I would have just did it, you know? I mean, it's free to click, it's free to get enrolled, it's free to sign up. Why didn't I just do it? And sometimes it's just your negative mindset. It's that skeptical mindset that's keeping you where you are. Don't get upset at me because I'm making $500,000 a month. Don't get upset at me because I'm living my dreams and I can take care of my parents and they don't work a job. Don't get upset at me because I can bless my children with brand new cars and put them in the best school. Like my daughter's getting ready to go, like in 2 years, she's getting ready to go to Baylor Medical College or Baylor School or whatever. I mean, it's because I decided to make a commitment that I'm willing to do whatever it takes. So listen, if you're willing to do whatever it takes right now, go there. I'm going to help you. Screenshot that. If you got any value in the videos, please smash the like button, and I will continue to do more videos. But like I said, I did put the link below to the ads that I'm using right now that's bringing in hundreds of thousands of dollars per month for me, and I'm giving it to you for free. There's nothing else that I can do. If you need more training, if you want me to help you out personally, that's the link to go to. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go.